Students can then go and also attempt any quizzes and watch any videos they want. And their quiz scores are actually saved here. So this was the homework that the girl just did. And she got 33% on animal and plant cells. So if she reattempts that, that will then increase. So this here is an actual PLC, and it tracks if they've watched the video or not. So as you can see, she hasn't. And if you go to revision, so let's say the kid has a topic 1 biology cells and microscopes test coming up in school. What they can do is they can select all of these, 3 from each, start the quiz. So it's then going to take 3 questions from each lesson for them to revise. And they can finish the revision early. So what else can they do in revision? They can also attempt formula practice questions. So they can start their formula practice and really practice all their formulae. As you can see here, and it is corrected if they get it wrong. And they can finish their revision whenever they want. And we've also got a converting units section here. So they can start converting units. So if you get it wrong, it corrects it for them. And if they get it right, it is marked correctly. So you've got different units here: density, time, distance, and you've got all of the units that are in the GCSE syllabus: volts, ohms, coulombs, the lot. So they can finish their revision early. So that there is the student dashboard and the student interface. In summary, you've got an online textbook for the pupils, their quiz scores are tracked, and you can track all of their homework and everything that they do in the performance page here. So any questions the kids do by themselves will appear here.